When asked to find average salary per department, most candidates jump straight to AVG and forget the critical Group BY clause. Without it, you'll get one average for the entire company, not per department. Let's break down the correct approach. The foundation of this query combines two essential SQL features: the AVG aggregate function and Group BY. AVG calculates the mean of all salary values, while Group BY tells SQL to create separate groups for each department. Together, they compute one average per department instead of a single company-wide average. Your select clause must include both the grouping column, department, and the aggregated result, AVG of salary. Here's how SQL processes this query internally. First, it scans the employee table and partitions rows into department groups. Then, within each group, it applies the AVG function to all salary values in that partition. Finally, it returns one row per department with the calculated average. This grouping mechanism is what transforms row-level data into summary statistics. Professional queries use column aliases for clarity. Instead of seeing AVG salary as a column header, use AS AVG salary to make your output self-documenting. Aliases don't change the calculation, but they make results easier to read and reference in application code or reports. Two edge cases to mention in interviews. First, AVG automatically ignores NULL values, so employees with missing salaries won't skew your averages. Second, if you need to filter aggregated results, like showing only departments with averages above 75,000, use having instead of here, since here filters rows before grouping while having filters after aggregation. Remember, AVG aggregates the data, Group BY splits it into categories, and together they give you per department insights. Master this pattern and you'll handle any aggregation question. Practice more SQL scenarios to level up your interview skills. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.